If you want to embed a website inside Whop, this tutorial is going to walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. This is really useful if you want to connect an external page, show a landing page, display a resource hub, or make your Whop community feel more interactive without sending people away from your workspace. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to whop.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. From there, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on Dashboard. This will take you into your main admin area. Now, in the top left corner, click on your Whop community or business name. That step is important because it loads the correct admin workspace for the community where you want the website embed to appear. Now that you're inside your community page, look for the management area. Depending on your layout, you may see Add App or Manage Apps. Click that option to open the app tools for your community. This is where Whop lets you add extra features and widgets to your page. In the Whop App Store search box, type Website Embed. As soon as the app card appears, click on it to add it to your workspace. Once the Website Embed app has been added, go back to your main community dashboard page. You should now see a new tab for the Website Embed app. Click that tab, and then look for Edit or Configure Website Embed in the top right corner. This is where you'll connect the external site you want to display inside Whop. In the website URL field, paste your full website address. Make sure it includes HTTPS at the beginning, because that helps ensure the link loads correctly. Double-check the URL before saving, because even a small typo can stop the embed from working. After that, click Save, then click Done in the top right to lock everything in place. At this point, refresh the page. If everything is set up correctly, your website should appear inside Whop almost instantly. This is the moment where you can confirm that the embed is live and visible to your members. Now, here's an important note. If you save the settings, refresh the page, and still see a blank container or refuse to connect error, that usually means the website you're trying to embed has iframe restrictions enabled on its hosting server. In other words, that website does not allow third-party embedding. So if that happens, it's not necessarily a Whop problem. You'll need to use a site that allows embedding or adjust the destination site settings if you control it. So to recap, the process is simple. Sign into Whop, open your dashboard, add the Website Embed app, paste in your secure website URL, save the settings, and refresh to confirm it works. Once you've done it once, the whole process is very fast the next time around. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on Whop, online tools, and creator software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.